So it's a health crisis, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that, because we're losing a whole generation.
Well, the mental health crisis has intensified during the pandemic, many losing their battles, and that now includes Cheslie Kryst. The former Miss USA winner died Sunday from an apparent suicide. 2 Side's Liz Lewin has more tonight on why her story is simply resonating with a whole lot of people and the message it carries.
Take your first walk as the new Miss USA.
At just 30 years old, Cheslie Kryst made her mark on the world. She was an attorney who fought for criminal justice, an entertainment news correspondent, and a crown champion, Miss USA 2019. But on Sunday, Kryst family and NYPD confirm she died after jumping from a building in Manhattan. Kryst was known publicly for speaking out about the importance of mental health, especially in communities of color.
It's heartbreaking. And I think sometimes it's even harder if you're successful, right? If you're in the public eye, if you have everything that people say that you're supposed to have, yet you're still sad or you're still in pain. And we put that judgment on ourselves. And then people are afraid to seek help.
Endeavor Health Services has been serving the Western New York community for 50 years. CEO Elizabeth Morrow says the state of mental health in America today is unlike she has ever seen it, which is why Cheslie's story is an important one.
If emotionally you're not healthy or you're in pain, then that permeates everything. And it goes back to that we all have our own story, and we're all, walking in some sort of pain, right? And the pandemic just exacerbated so many things and just highlighted so many needs.
One being access to equitable care, another being a more robust workforce. Just take a look at some of these new key findings from Mental Health America. Over half of adults with a mental illness still don't receive treatment. Over 60% of youth with major depression don't receive any mental health treatment, especially multiracial youth. And both adults and youth in the U.S. continue to lack adequate insurance coverage in 2022. This year, Mental Health America ranked New York State 15th in the country when it comes to access to care. Family medicine specialist Dr. Raul Vasquez says it's not good enough.
She had access. And I think that's real important in terms of what we do. If it happens to her, it can definitely happen to, 90% of the people that are not like her, and I think it's something that we really have to address.
But it's important to remember, you are not alone. Help is one call or just one click away.
Just taking that step, right? Just picking up the phone, or instead of going to a social media site, go to a county website and look at what some of the supportive services. Sometimes it might just be a self-esteem group or just a connection group.
Liz Lewin, Channel 2 News.